We're doing it on Omega. Episode 439, Part 1. SWORDSOUL versus DRYTRON. I'm just gonna let it play. Hold on here. Can I go like this? No, I can't. Yeah. I can't switch now. Okay. Just let it play. A little bit faster as well. He's down to what, 100 life points left. Yeah, I thought that yeah, this guy doesn't target. This guy's untargeted. Untargetable. But yeah, that was killed him with his own monster, but game 2 and 3 wins. I think I said it in the Nibiru and never got it. Wow. He has Eva in his hand for perfection and 4 negate Apo. Jesus. Everything negated. Whoa, OTK. Arturo wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Game 3. I thought it was good. Okay, I got a Omni negate, Monster negate, called by an Ash. And then I get Dark Ruler no more. And then Lightning Stormed. That's okay. Ashed him, and he's gonna send. Yeah, after I did that, I used the washroom and I came back and it was still my turn. Thought it was over by then. That was turn 2. Why did he not attack? Oh yeah, the Dark Ruler. Right here. I thought I had no more life points left. I tried to attack and still had 8,000. Oh! Arturo wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Does he have a deck? He does not have a deck. He didn't have his chat on or nothing. That's okay. $13.04, 12.18 or 12.82. Still at 264. How much here? I'll give you sub if you liked it. See you guys.